we go. Hello, boys and girls. Hi there. This is Ted. This is RidewTed. Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? Okay, so I apologize for the delay in getting out a video, but let me explain. This is actually, well, I've actually recorded 3 other videos prior to this one. 3. I was out on the bike 3 times already since the last video. It's been very cold, and of course getting ready for the holidays, right? 3 times I've been out. All 3 times I went out, the audio either didn't work, or it only worked for half of the video, or it had that crackly noise that I was always getting, or there was no audio at all. Unfreaking believable. I don't know what the hell is the problem. So I have a sneaky suspicion that it is the extension cable that goes from the microphone to the GoPro. So I have since ordered new ones. They haven't come in yet. This is a second, I'm using a secondary one that I had, and I'm hoping it works. But I'm hoping it's working. What are we doing today on this crisp, very crisp Saturday morning out on the Heritage, which is the I've been on Heritage so far twice. This is the 3rd time since I started filming. Anyway, whatever. Anyway, we are going over to Sea Breeze Harley Davidson because they're having, and this is going to be awesome, they're having a ugly sweater contest. And let me tell you, other people have told me while it's ugly, it's still freaking cool, and people like it. So we're gonna see. And they're giving away all kinds of swag, and they're having sweets and beverages and cookies and Christmas stuff. So we're gonna see how that goes. But I also wanted to talk to you about the book. Again, this is my 4th time I've tried to talk about the book. The book is officially released. That's right, you can now get it on Amazon. And we have, well, like I said, the ebook is available. The paperback is available now on Amazon, $17.50. It's available pretty much everywhere. So, yeah, it's been an interesting experience. Writing the book was interesting. It's the culmination of a lot of notes. And in essence, the book is my notes, because I took notes every single day during the day so I could recall things. When I got back, I didn't know I was going to write a book about the trip until I actually started the trip. And I said, I got to write about this, because everything I went through, and this is also not just about the trip, but it's also about what I went through leading up to the trip. And those of you who listen to the podcast know what I went through as far as goes for the bike being broken for a while, and how I had to repair it, and it was on a lift for a long time, and I documented all of that and what it was all about. I also talked about my preparation for the trip and what I did and what I have to do, how I annoyed people. The other thing I talked about, of course, naturally, is the trip and the things that I saw along the way. And from that, I felt it was important that I give more information about the things that I saw along the trip, and the things that I saw, heard, and smelled. And I talk about that in the book. So there was a lot of research that also went into this, because when I got back, I said, well, I saw this and saw that. Well, let me find out more about that, and let me put that in a book. So while I knew a lot about a few things already. I dove deeper into information and history about those things just to pass on to you, because I think it adds a little more depth to the book, rather than just I got on my motorcycle and I rode to the Florida Keys and rode back. It's more than that. So I got involved, really involved and in depth of everything that culminated the entire trip. I think I'm proud of it. I'm proud of the book. I'm happy with the end result. An interesting thing about doing something like this is you, as any artist would know, you have this little bit of trepidation in you after you've completed it, only based on is anybody going to like it? What's going to be the response? How are people going to receive this book? So that's where I'm at with it right now. And are people going to buy it, or are people going to? And I've read through the book so many times. Oh my God, I've read through it a bunch of times. It's been checked and double checked and triple checked, and it's been reviewed, and I've edited it several times, because I saw some grammatical errors in it, and then I saw some punctuation that was missing. There was very few spelling errors, because I spell check as I go along, and I have, of course, the spell check feature and the grammatical checker, and that's it. The book is published, and the stupid thing is, ready? The stupid thing. It's published. I looked at the book the other day, and I saw 2 grammatical, maybe 3 grammatical errors that the software didn't pick up. I was like, God damn it. And even the reviewer didn't see it. It's like, man, how can you not? If I didn't see it after looking at the book 4 times or more, and the reviewer didn't see it after looking at the book twice, and the software didn't see it, who the hell can you trust? But it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm still happy with it. I'm glad the way it came out. I love the color, the cover design, and I hope you all like it. I really do. I really hope you all like it. All right, here we are at the Harley thing. What's there? Sweets and sweaters. Unfortunately, there's only a few people here, and it's not really a contest. It's just show up with a sweater. So I did. How's that for an ugly sweater, huh? Look at that. But that's it. So, and I got some free swag, so now I'm gonna have cookies and some hot chocolate. Yeah, I was really hoping for something else. Okay. Not too bad. Oh my God, look at that.
How's that hot chocolate?
It's actually really good. Oh, I gotta have one of these big. I can dream, can I? I wish. You sure you can't just like slide this out the door, out the back door? Just push it out the back door and just go like, I don't know. It was here a minute ago.
Oh yeah, let's get fly.
Alright, so it wasn't really much of a contest. It wasn't even a contest actually. It was basically just show up with an ugly sweater. And that's it. And there's hardly anybody here. I don't know if it was a promotion or because it's too cold out. I don't know what, but there's a few people. I got a few bras on my shirt, so my sweater. I got me a cookie, and I got me some hot chocolate. And that's it. So I'm gonna finish this, and then we're gonna go back on the bike and go for a short ride. And that'll be it. Hot chocolate. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, there you have it. The non-sweater, ugly sweater contest. It's kind of disappointing, actually. I came over here expecting to win something, and actually I got really, there was nothing. But that's okay. That's okay. Hey, look, I got a lanyard and a pin out of it. It's something, I guess. And some hot chocolate and cookies. What more could you ask for, right? Well, I suppose you could ask for money and things of that nature, but it's okay. I'll take cookies and hot chocolate. Got the soft lowers on. Wearing my my good boots, my gauchos as they call them. My other boots that I have worn, you may have seen in the video. My leather boots. They're well, they're not good anymore. The soles are great, but the rest of it's crap. So there you have it. We're just cruising along, enjoying the beautiful weather. Look at this. And according to my thermometer here, it is only, well, I don't believe that. It says 60 degrees. I don't think so. I think the top temperature right now is like 52, 51, maybe. Bike's been sitting in the sun, so that has something to do with it. I want to get some miles in because I just totaled up my annual mileage for 2024, and it was very disappointing. Very disappointing. Oh my gosh. I knew it was low, but I didn't think it was that low. Jeez. If I can, I've got a few days before the end of the year, but I have like 1,950 miles for the year. So I've got to get it, I got to get at least 2,000. So hopefully with the last 3 rides I've done and this one and maybe one more, I can get it over 2,000. I'm sure I will. It's just been not a good year for riding, I guess. It's been way too much work around the house. It's like this ride right now, I've only done 8 miles. It doesn't even count. So I got to do a few more miles just to make it count a little bit, right? And again, I hope the sound is working. Well, that's it for me, boys and girls. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a nice big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. All right? And subscribe and comment. Subscribe and comment. You know I always respond to your comments. So do that. And don't forget, if you want a copy of the book, The Road Most Traveled, go down to the link below in the notes and you can enter to win a copy of my book. It's going to be what they call an author proof. So it says not for resale on it, but that is your opportunity to get a free book, a free copy of the book. And like I said, if you want me to sign it, once the winners are announced, the winners will be announced New Year's, Christmas Eve. They're going to be announced Christmas Eve, and once I'll do that, I'll do a video short and announce who the winners are. And I will contact the winners and to get the addresses and all that, and you will get a copy of the book. And again, if you want me to sign it for whatever ungodly reason, let me know and I will write you a little note. And we'll see how that goes. All right. So, There's something else I wanted to tell you. Oh yeah, the audiobook. The audiobook. The audiobook is in progress. Okay, I am on chapter 7. I'm of course doing the narration myself. I'm on chapter 7 right now, and I don't know that I'm going to be finished before the end of the year. Probably not. Because there is a lot going on with it. It's not just going to be, it's not just your audiobook where I'm reading to you. It's going to be above and beyond that. So if you want to be patient, if you're not interested in reading the book and you want to wait for the audiobook, just be patient. I'm going to say now, I hope to have it done by the end of January. There's a lot involved. It's not as involved as writing the book itself. No, not that bad. But there's just a lot involved with the audiobook itself. It takes a little longer it takes long to produce. That's all I'm saying. It takes long to produce. Of course, I got to read the whole book too. So, and there's 23 chapters, plus acknowledgments and dedications and stuff. So do that. So if you want a copy of the book, again, enter down below, or just wait for the audiobook. It'll be coming soon enough. But that's it, boys and girls. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully before the end of the year. I don't know that I'm going to do a recap video, but we'll see. Again, I'll do a short and announce the winners of the book. All right, so that's it, kids. Peace out. Rock and roll. Away we go.